Exceptional, highly recommended to stay. Clean and neat apartment. Recommended stay in Cyberjaya. I have a really great time spent throughout my stay. Thank you for the service. Smile. The best ever interim of check-in and out. Can say the easiest check-in and out in the world. Excellent accommodation. Nice and tidy. With Wi-Fi and Netflix TV. Great pool until 11 p.m. Nearby shopping mall. Very recommended. Will come back soon. I love this place. Never expected to have a spacious place for the amount of money I spent. It was way more worth it. The place was very cozy, clean and quiet. I love this place so much. Location-wise, mall is nearby. It was so convenient. The facilities are perfect, got a swimming pool, jacuzzi, gym and also sauna room. Definitely will come again soon. Thank you. Exceptional overall. Okay, Kuma X to comforter. Everything is good, but I wish you provide microwave and washing machine, as people provided it nowadays. But the house is nice, clean as well. More interior can be done. Very good, all in all very nice. Good location. Mamaskan bilik mamaskan balay la bawa anak tuntuk mandi pool. Comfort and calm, love to stay here. Good view and calm environment.